Hello and welcome to Invention Insider. Today we will look at the history of the X-ray. The invention of the X-ray was a significant milestone in the field of medicine, allowing doctors to see inside the human body without invasive procedures. But how did this revolutionary technology come to be? It all began in 1895, when a German physicist named Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was experimenting with cathode rays, a type of radiation that was not yet fully understood. Röntgen was using a cathode ray tube, which is a sealed glass tube with electrodes at either end. The tube was evacuated of all air and a high voltage was applied to the electrodes. This caused the cathode rays, which are now known to be electrons, to be emitted from the cathode and travel to the anode. Röntgen noticed that a fluorescent screen that he was using to observe the cathode rays began to glow, even though it was not in the direct path of the rays. He found that this new type of ray, which he named X-rays, could pass through most solid objects and even penetrate through the human body. Röntgen's discovery was groundbreaking, as X-rays are able to pass through soft tissue, like skin and muscle, but are absorbed by denser materials, like bone. This meant that X-rays could be used to create images of the inside of the body, allowing doctors to diagnose and treat injuries and illnesses with much greater precision. Röntgen's discovery was quickly recognized as a major breakthrough, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. X-rays quickly found many practical applications in medicine and industry. They were used to detect bone fractures, diagnose tuberculosis, and locate foreign objects in the body. X-ray machines were soon being used in hospitals and clinics around the world. Later, X-rays were also used in industries such as metalworking and mining, to detect flaws and cracks in materials. Today, X-rays are a routine part of medical care and have saved countless lives. The invention of the X-ray was truly a game-changer for the field of medicine, and we owe it all to Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen's curiosity and experimentation. It's worth noting that the discovery of X-rays had not only a positive impact in the field of medicine, but also had negative consequences, as the exposure to X-rays in high doses can lead to cancer and other illnesses. Therefore, the use of X-rays should be done only when necessary and with appropriate protection measures to minimize the risk of exposure. The medical community has adopted safety protocols such as minimizing the radiation dose and using protective gear while performing X-ray procedures to minimize the risk of exposure. In addition, new technologies have been developed to reduce the use of X-ray, such as ultrasound and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, that use different types of energy to generate images of the body and have lower radiation exposure. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe and like for more videos.